G'day everyone. In last week's episode, we took you over Big Red and around Birdsville. This week, we're going to take you on Big Red with the truck.
So we flew over that. That was the rodeo place.
This is a golf course here somewhere.
Yeah, the golf course is here.
That's sand scrapes, okay? It's fucking sand.
We are going.
Come on, Dopey.
Yeah, there's always one. Always one. Come on. Big Red.
We're gonna do Little Red first.
Oh, I thought you were joking that there was a little red.
No, that's Little Red.
Oh.
We're just
Sure.
gonna go straight to.
Oh.
Maybe this is Little Red.
Whoa! Well, if this is Little Red, how big's Big Red? It's quite sandy.
It doesn't want to go forward.
No.
Not at all.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You freaked me out.
Really gonna have to let the tyres down. Should I let them down?
I never thought that you would leave it all.
wondering why I didn't let the tyres down before getting stuck, that's simply because I was lazy and it was just little red. I let the front down to 25 psi and the rear down to 30 psi to get out of that sand. Just in case you're wondering what 30 psi on a truck looks like, here it is.
Cool about trees are so pretty.
They are pretty, aren't they?
So after finishing off lunch with the horses on the plains below Big Red, we are off and heading up Big Red. The easy way. We're on Big Red. Woohoo! 7-ton truck. We can do it. I'm sure other people have their trucks up here.
Looks like a pyramid.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh wow, look at that. Boy. Holy cow. Just wicked. Holy Toledo.
See, we would have trouble getting
Oh,
this
yeah.
through, wouldn't we?
Yeah, for sure. Oh, that's alright.
I'm not sure what gear does better. Was it just crawling it in first, like this? Oh, I
think
suppose if I drive right next to that, I'd know.
second gear is better a bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit longer.
So after checking out the steep side of Big Red to see whether we can drive up, there was no way I thought we were going to make it up. And there was no way in hell was I going to be digging in the spare wheel as a winch point in 40 degrees just to prove whether we can or can't. So we didn't give the steep side a go because, like I said, we weren't making it up there.
God, I think I forgot my underwear in his car last week. What if his dad finds them?
Damn, maybe you should ask him to get them back. Or wait, isn't his dad the headmaster at school? Oh my God.
I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm but too plenty. Drop. Go left, go right, working up my appetite. No fork, no knife, having dinner with my eyes. So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie. Wanna see my mind, baby, you just join my ride. Getting ready for the weekend, popping bubbles through the ceiling. Sure, I got dope, but don't need it, 'cause all I want is your healing.
Don't forget to jump onto our website or our socials and order your calendar, stubby holder, beanie or sticker. And remember, we can send it with a message to a loved one if that's what you prefer.
In my mind, there is nothing left to
As we haven't driven at night for a fair while, I took the opportunity to check out which of the front driving lights wasn't quite in adjustment. So I was flicking them on and off and worked out that the spotlights need to just be lifted up a little bit for the best lighting.
I was promised as a token from above. Mother, son, sticking out the path of life.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
I used to think that all it took was to pretend that life was good. If there's something more to figure out, I rarely grade the way.
In next week's episode, we hit the road again and we head for Carnarvon Gorge, where we're going to put in some serious Ks by foot. On the way, of course, we stop at a few water holes and go for a swim. Who could resist when it's about 40 degrees?
Out of cloudy skies, there's a fire burning deep within my heart, a bad desire. I'm ready to go on with all something